Choose the proper size sheath according to the patient's weight. Pull out or push in the slider to ensure it is suitable to the sheath size. The fully extended level is suitable for M and L sheaths. The short level is suitable for S and SS sheaths. Insert the sheath onto the handle until it clicks. To intubate, stabilize the patient's head. Look in the patient's mouth and insert the video laryngoscope from the midline passing the root of the tongue. Once it's past the root of the tongue, look at the workstation screen and locate the epiglottis. Insert the tip of the laryngoscope into the vallecular epiglottic, then lift the epiglottis gently to view the glottis. Insert the endotracheal tube loaded with the preformed stylet alongside the blade. Once the tube is past the glottis, remove the stylet and insert the tube into the appropriate depth of the patient's airway, and remove the video laryngoscope.